Hi there, I'm gonna show you in this video tutorial how to change the menu metrics config on Nokia 2254G 2024 edition. As usual, we have here one sample, as you can see. So menu metrics config refers to the main menu icons list. We can add or remove them as we wish. And in order to do this, I'm going to use Furious Gold Box and SPD Service tool. So let's start by going to the Deact tab and choose our model. And from here, I'm going to select Menu Metrics Config. And below, we select again our model. And as you can see, we have here the full list with the available menu items for this model. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to select a few of them to see what happens. So I'm going to choose radio, torch, recorder, counter, and camera. So in total 5 items. I'm going to press done, connect. I'm going to power off the device now. And once the device is off and the software starts searching for the phone, I'm going to simply insert the USB cable in the powered off device. If everything is okay and the drivers are installed, the phone should be detected. Okay, we are informed now that to complete this operation we need to do a factory reset using that code. So let's wait for the phone to start and dial the code. Okay. So as you can see, we have here only the items that we selected in the software. So everything works perfectly. Thanks again for using our products. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Bye bye.